Hello everyone, my name is Anil Rout. I have more than 14 years of IT experience with strong expertise in automation testing and manual testing. In my professional experience, I bring over 11 years of automation expertise where I have built complete framework from the scratch using Java, Selenium, Cucumber, TestNG, REST Assured and SQL. I also have strong hands-on experience in database testing using Java and SQL, ensuring data integrity and backend validations. Beyond functional testing, I have worked with Maven, Git, GitHub, Docker, Jenkins, Selenium Grid, Cypress, Playwright, Test Complete, White Framework, and JMeter for performance testing. With DevOps and CI/CD, I have implemented CI/CD pipelines using Jenkins, integrating automation with Docker containers and Selenium Grid for distributed and parallel cross-browser testing. These practices helped in achieving faster execution, better scalability, and efficient releases. With respect to latest trend and technologies, with respect to Gen AI and modern tools, I actively explore and leverage generative AI tools like ChatGPT and GitHub Copilot to accelerate test case design, code generation, debugging, and framework enhancements. Combining AI with traditional automation has helped me improve productivity and bring innovation into testing practices. With respect to cloud and advanced skills, I have practical exposure to AWS cloud and agile ways of working, along with tools like JIRA, ALM, JIFOR, Confluence, and Unix shell scripting. I hold certifications in ISTQB and AWS cloud. With respect to my teaching, so I have always a passion for teaching. Alongside my corporate career, I have a strong passion for teaching and mentoring. I conduct training on Java, Selenium, Cucumber, TestNG, REST Assured, SQL database testing, Docker, Jenkins, Selenium Grid, JMeter, and now also Gen AI powered testing using ChatGPT and Copilot. My focus is on real-time, industry-oriented learning with practical examples. With respect to community and networking, I am active on LinkedIn and YouTube, and I collaborate with various testing and automation communities to share frameworks, AI-driven approaches, and best practices that help professionals and students grow in their careers. So, if you want to gain expertise in end-to-end testing from UI, API, and database testing to performance CI/CD pipelines, cloud and AI-powered automation with ChatGPT and Copilot, I am here to guide you with structured, hands-on, and future-ready trainings. Even after getting the job, if you want any kind of help, you can also connect with me. So what topics we are going to cover here? So we are going to cover here the core skills and tools like core Java, Selenium, Cucumber, TestNG, REST Assured, CI/CD pipeline, Jenkins, GitHub, AWS, Docker, SQL, and Gen AI, GitHub Copilot, and ChatGPT. So once you complete with your core skills and tools, we will start with projects. Here exactly we are doing hands-on project to build real world automation frameworks. So next, I am going to help you in interview preparation. Basically, what I am going to do here is top interview questions and answers for each technology, and we are going to conduct mock interview for practice and confidence building. With career support, we will guide you and mentoring you until you secure a job, and we will prepare your resume and provide tips, and we will do profile building and LinkedIn. Here comes who this is for. This course is for whom? So this course is for freshers or graduates who are looking to start a career in automation testing, want hands-on experience with Java, Selenium, and modern tools. Manual testers or QA professionals who want to upgrade skills to automation testing, learn framework development, API testing, CI/CD pipelines. Developers or IT professionals want to understand test automation and quality assurance. Explore Gen AI tools like ChatGPT and Copilot for productivity. Career switchers or enthusiasts like non-IT background or other domains wanting to enter automation testing, learn tools, frameworks, and real-world projects for placement readiness. Thank you so much. We will meet you soon. Thanks everyone.